Need to temporarily turn off a hardware device in Windows. A device manager lets you disable certain devices without physically removing them. In this guide, I'll show you how to disable a device, enable it again, and what to keep in mind. First, open Start and search for Device Manager. Select it from the results. You'll see your computer's hardware grouped into different categories. Expand the category containing the hardware you want to disable. For example, you might find a webcam under Cameras or a network adapter under Network Adapters. Find the correct device before making any changes. Now right-click the device and select Disable Device. Windows may display a warning asking you to confirm. Select Yes or Disable to continue. The device should then become unavailable to Windows. After disabling it, the device may appear with a downward arrow or another status indicator. Open Properties if you want to check its status. This can help confirm that the device is no longer active. To turn the device back on, right-click it again and select Enable Device. Windows should restore access to the hardware. Yeah, you can repeat this whenever you need to temporarily disable or restore the device. One important warning: don't randomly disable hardware you don't recognize. Disabling a network adapter can disconnect your internet, while disabling other essential devices could affect Windows functionality. So always make sure you know what the device does first. And that's how to disable and re-enable a device in Device Manager. It's useful for troubleshooting or temporarily turning off hardware, but always double-check before disabling anything important. Keep this method in mind whenever you need more control over your PC's hardware.